friends, welcome to Crack's video series. Thank you for your continuous encouragement and support to our general awareness videos. Please keep on encouraging us like this by subscribing to our channel. Today we are going to discuss the important polity questions for CMAT and TISNET. Let's see the first question. Which Mughal emperor has given Diwani rights to East India Company? Shah Alam has given Diwani rights to East India Company. He has given the right to collect land revenue or taxes from Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. This has been granted by Shah Alam to East India Company. From then, Diwani has become the main source of income to British. Next question. Which Indian council is also called as Morley-Minto Reform? Indian Council Act 1909 is also called as Morley-Minto Reform. Morley-Minto Reform is Morley is the secretary and Minto is the viceroy. This reform has increased the size of Legislative Council from 16 to 60, both central and provincial. Next question. It was first whose idea of setting up Constituent Assembly in India? It was the idea of M.N. Roy of setting up Constituent Assembly in India. Who is the calligrapher of the Indian Constitution? Prem Behari Naren Raizada is the calligrapher of Indian Constitution. He has written the whole Constitution in italic style. Next question. Which Constitution amendment is also known as Mini Constitution? 42nd Amendment is also known as Mini Constitution. 44th Amendment is right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights. Right to property was removed. In 72nd, it is temporary provision for determination of number of states reserved for ST caste in Tripura state. Next question. Removal of Supreme Court and High Court judge is a feature borrowed from which country's constitution? It is the feature borrowed from USA Constitution. Impeachment of president is also borrowed from this constitution. We borrowed federation with a strong center. Appointment of state governors by the center from Canada. Concurrent list from Australia. And directive principles of state policy from Ireland. Ideals of liberty is borrowed from which country? Ideals of liberty is borrowed from France. Liberty, concept of republic, equality and fraternity were borrowed from France. Next question. Who are the members of JVP committee? The members of JVP committee are Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel and Pattabhi Sitaramaiah. This committee was in 1948 to 49. It was set up by Congress to study the recommendations of linguistic provinces. Which article of Indian Constitution defines state? Article 12 of Indian Constitution defines the state. The definition of states includes Government and Parliament of India, Government and Legislature of India, all local and other authorities within territory of India under the Constitution of Government of India. Next question. What is meant by autocracy? Absolute rule by one is called as autocracy.
We at Craku provide all the previous year CAT papers along with many other MBA examinations such as IIFT, XAT, SNAP, MAT, CMAT, TIS and PGDBA in the actual exam format. You can attempt them as a test and get a detailed analysis of your performance or download them as PDFs.
Under which schedule of constitution police is under state list? Under 7th schedule of constitution police is under state list. 7th schedule defines and specifies allocation of powers between union and states. It has 3 lists: union list, state list and concurrent list. Next question. Representation of any state in Rajya Sabha is according to population of the state. The Constitution of India provided that Hindi shall be the official language of Union of India. India's first coalition government in New Delhi was formed under the leadership of Morarji Desai. His full name is Morarji Ranchhodji Desai. He was the Indian independent activist between 1977 and 1979, and he is the 4th Prime Minister of India. Next question. The Indian Supreme Court's judgment on triple talaq refers to which of its forms? It refers to talaq-e-biddat form. What is the largest committee of Indian Parliament? The largest committee of Indian Parliament is Estimates Committee. It consists of 30 members, all appointed by Lok Sabha. Crackyo is providing CMAT previous papers. To download them for your better practice, please do visit our website. Appointment of all Indian services are made by President. Which act made central legislature bicameral? The Government of India Act 1919 had made central legislature bicameral. Who administers the oath of President of India? Chief Justice of India administers the oath of President of India. Panchayat Raj system was introduced in India in which year? It was introduced in 1959. It was first adopted by the state of Rajasthan in Nagaur district. But first started in Andhra Pradesh. Balwant Rai Mehta is called as father of Panchayat Raj. Balwant Rai Mehta. Next question. The formation of separate Telangana state was the result of Telangana people's long fight to get the following. The long fight to get water, resources and jobs. Next. Which one of the following statement is correct with regard to parliamentary committees? The members of the estimates committees are elected by Lok Sabha. In the Constituent Assembly, the objectives resolution was passed on. 22nd January 1947. Who among the Telangana leaders was the first to suggest Vishal Andhra? Devulapalli Ramanuja Rao is the Telangana leader who was the first to suggest Vishal Andhra. Rowlatt Act is also known as Black Bill was passed in the year. It was passed in the year 1919. Anarchical and revolutionary crimes of 1919 were popularly known as the Rowlatt Act. Under this law, the government got many powers, including the ability to arrest people and keep them in prison without any trial. The Constitution of India mainly stands for a secular state. The 42nd Amendment of Constitution enacted in the year 1976 of the preamble asserted that India is a secular nation. That is, it is not confined to any particular religion. Members of Rajya Sabha are elected for a term of, they are elected for a term of 6 years. The three-tier system of Panchayat Raj was recommended by, it was recommended by Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. The three tiers are Village Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti and Jilla Parishad. Next question. Who is the head of the state in India? The President is the head of the state in India. According to the School Health Committee of India, the minimum land area for elementary school education is 10 acres. Friends, Crackyo is providing 5 excellent latest pattern CMAT mocks for ₹299. Please do visit our website and enroll for those mocks for your better practice and success in your exam. What is the legal age to perform marriage for girls in India? It is 18 years for girls and 21 years for boys. Next question. National Foundation for Communal Harmony was set up in which year? It was set up in the year 1992. It was set up under Societies Registration Act 1860. Its objective is providing assistance for the physical and physiological rehabilitation of child victims. Next question. Who appoints judges of Supreme Court and High Court in India? President appoints judges of Supreme Court and High Court in India. Who conducts the elections of Lok Sabha in India? Election Commission conducts the elections of Lok Sabha in India. Which of the following Prime Minister has served a term of 13 days? Atal Bihari Vajpayee has served a term of 13 days. He was born in the year 1924 and he was died in the year 2018. He was under the party of BJP. Upper House of the Indian Parliament is also known as Upper House of Indian Parliament is also known as Rajya Sabha. Elections to panchayats in a state are conducted by State Election Commission. Which type of citizenship is provided by the Constitution of India? Single citizenship is provided by the Constitution of India. Inner State Council was set up by recommendation of which committee? It was set up by the recommendation of Sarkaria Committee. It was set up in the year 1983. It was set up to examine the central-state relation on various portfolios and suggest the changes within the framework of Constitution of India. Next question. Who appoints the Chief Justice of India? President appoints the Chief Justice of India. When was the Indian national flag adopted? Indian national flag was adopted in the year 1947, 22nd July. Friends, Crackyo is providing TISNET previous papers for your reference and the better practice. Please do visit our website and download them. Which article in Indian Constitution states about fundamental duties? Article 51A states about fundamental duties. When was the national anthem adopted in its Hindi version? It was adopted in 24 January 1950. In which year the National Food Security Act was passed in India? It was passed in the year 2013. The act is the households with non-agricultural enterprises will be registered with the government. The scheme tells it converts into legal entitlements for existing food security programs of Government of India, that like it includes midday meals and also integrated child development services schemes. What should be the minimum age to get the Rajya Sabha membership? 30 years is the minimum age to get Rajya Sabha membership. Which of the following articles is for protection of interests of minority. Article 29 is for protection of interests of minorities. The book title Social Harmony is written by. The book title Social Harmony is written by Narendra Modi. Who was the Prime Minister of India during the emergency between the year 1975 to 1977? Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister during the emergency between the year 1975 to 1977. She was the only female Prime Minister of India. Next question. Who was the first woman judge of Delhi High Court? The first woman judge of Delhi High Court is Leela Seth. And the first woman judge of Supreme Court is Justice Fatima Bibi. Next question. Mahatma Gandhi formed the Natal Indian Congress in the year. He formed the Natal Indian Congress in the year 1894. Abdullah Haji Adam Jhaveri was the elected president. Friends, Crackyo is providing 5 latest patent TISNET mocks for ₹299. Please do visit our website to purchase those mocks for your great practice and success in your examinations. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more video updates. Thank you.